It's the Weather Xtreme video, the morning edition. This is for Monday, May 23rd. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather warming up this week. Should be the warmest week so far this year. Hot may be a better word. And the chance of rain, not happening for a while. Looks like a dry pattern setting up through this week. Check it out this morning. That's the water vapor satellite view. Got a pretty high amplitude pattern. Troughing on the East Coast feels good this morning. That's delivering some cool air, but don't get used to it. Troughing in the western states in advance of that. Storms all across the nation's heartland, from Texas up into southern Canada. But yeah, feels good. We've got mostly 50s on the board. Some spots are in the 40s. Fort Payne 46, Cullman 47, Haleyville 48. But don't think we see 40s again anytime soon. Around the nation, that's the watch warning map. See some flash flooding problems for parts of North Texas, southwest Oklahoma, and that's really about it. But later today, more severe weather, basically in the same zone we saw severe weather yesterday. The western part of Texas up to Oklahoma and Kansas, Nebraska, Iowa, Minnesota, an enhanced risk from Kansas down into West Texas. Tomorrow, again, the Great Plains, traditional tornado alley, Oklahoma, Kansas, Nebraska, some of the adjacent states. And on day 3, which is Wednesday, that risk includes cities like Kansas City, St. Louis, and Omaha. And look at this. Rain for the next 5 days, basically nothing for most of the state. This is valid through Saturday morning. Maybe a few isolated showers over the Tennessee Valley late this week, but the big rains well to the west. Makes it kind of simple. Here we go. Model fans, the GFS. This is the 06C run at 1 o'clock today. Troughing to the east, troughing out west, ridging in between. A sunny and warm day, mid-80s. Both the NAM and the GFS are at 84. Sunny tomorrow with upper 80s. Wednesday, we'll be flirting with 90. Many spots could see 90. And then again, the weather dry. Humidity values are creeping up, but no dynamic forcing. We see no chance of rain. Thursday, same thing. Sunny with a high around 90. Friday, another sunny day. The high will be close to 90, and there could be a slight chance of a shower near the Tennessee border, but again, for most everybody, we're leaving it dry. And Saturday, as the weekend begins, the ridge is still the dominant feature, partly sunny. Temperatures in the upper 80s, pretty humid like summer. This is Memorial Day weekend kicking off, by the way. Sunday, the ridge might weaken a little bit. We might mention a few scattered afternoon and evening showers or storms on Sunday, the word you hear almost every day in the summer. And Monday, this is Memorial Day, upper low that's well to the south of us over Florida. A little surface low around Jacksonville. That might bring some rain to Daytona Beach or Jacksonville, Florida. But for us, it still looks pretty quiet. Monday would be very warm, if not hot, mostly dry, partly sunny. And obviously the Gulf Coast looks good through the Memorial Day weekend. This is the end of the forecast period, middle of next week, Wednesday, the 1st of June. And you know what that is? The beginning of meteorological summer. Pretty much the same deal. A little upper low over the Georgia coast, big troughing in the west. And for us, the weather stays pretty quiet and very warm, if not hot. I think everybody has a different definition of hot. For most people, I think when you hit 90, it gets hot. And by golly, we could see highs around 90 pretty much each day for the latter half of this week. Lows mostly in the 60s and no changes into early June. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and God bless.